hands-on camping experience, an exciting weekend with Dolphin class. This weekend, the Baby Shark Tank of Dolphin class enjoyed an exciting outdoor camping adventure at a beautiful green park filled with fun, exploration, and learning opportunities. What makes a Baby Shark Tank camping day so special? It is a journey of discovery, movement, hands-on learning, and unforgettable experiences through engaging the world of activities. Newbie happily explored the park, observed trees and flowers, and learned about the natural environment around us. Rocky enthusiastically joined physical challenges, relay races, obstacle courses, and games that encouraged strength and endurance. Penguin enjoyed discovering outdoor educational equipment and movement stations that help develop coordination and motor skills. The Baby Shark Tank children also experienced the Little Singer stage, confidently holding microphones and performing their favorite songs while shining with creativity and self-expression. What benefits does hands-on camping bring to children? It helps children become more confident. It encourages independence. It nurtures a love for nature. It supports healthy physical development. It promotes learning through meaningful real-life experiences.